Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. I've got Ravi with me. He has recently smashed his PTE exam, 8 each in PTE, 86 overall, almost 9 bands in PTE, 19 speaking, 85 in reading, 82 listening and 82 writing. A great score. Congratulations Ravi, well done man.
Thank you so much man.
It's a very great achievement and it's something you were craving for a very long time. You've been trying for a very long time and I know that you have taken around 5 attempts before you came here.
Yes.
And then this was your second attempt after the classes, right?
Yes.
You have smashed it. We'll start off like this, that what do you think was the difference this time as compared to your previous attempts? Which was important, which was vital to get over the line to get 8 each in PTE?
The main thing I'll point out is my practice, because my practice was not that strong when I was practicing by myself, and when I came to Language Academy I get to know like what things you need to practice precisely and how you concentrate on your tasks which are most important.
That's right.
And how you spend time on them inequally.
That's right guys. So it's very important you know that what you have to practice, just blindly following the templates or blindly following the tasks which you are not really sure are important or not, it's not gonna help you. You need to understand that yes, this is my weakness, these are the tasks which are going to impact that particular section and I have to work and practice on the same thing. Let's talk about reading. Before you came here, your reading was around 70. You were sitting on 70 listening and writing as well,
yes.
Right? And now it's almost 9 bands. What do you think is the secret for reading? Before this, first one thing about his reading is that he has practiced around 1,000 reading blanks, and that is what I personally believe is the secret for your success. What do you think is important for reading?
Most important is understanding the vocabulary of the blanks, or if it is a reorder paragraph, how to structure your reorder paragraph in a way that it makes a sense to you. So basically when I was practicing before coming to Language Academy, I was following just simple templates, and I won't say that I was expert in my vocab, or now I am, but eventually when I practiced and Ravi helped me a lot in getting through, sort this reading out. I given mock test, and which he used to sit with me and elaborate what mistakes am I doing, so how can I concentrate and try and adjust my fill in the blanks and reorder paragraphs.
That's right guys, so it's very important you do the mock test, because in the mock test you will be exposed to a real exam scenario and then you will come to know that what mistakes you are making.
Yes.
Because if you're not really doing the mock test, you feel like you have done everything right in the exam but you're not getting the score.
That is correct.
Yeah,
that is what used to happen. Like when I used to give my exams, the blanks were correct according to me. But they were incorrect according to the computer.
Yeah, that's right. So according to the person, according to our perception, things are right, yeah, but they are not logically right.
Logically right, that is correct.
So what we have to focus is we have to understand what mistakes we are making, because if you just go for the exam, you will get a scorecard, but you won't really come to know what are the mistakes you are making, right? But if you do the mock test, you will have a clear idea that yes, these are the areas I need to work on, this is where I mess up the thing, and that is how you will get a score like he did. Let's talk about your listening. 82 in listening was one of the section you were scared about, right? You were not really sure if I'll get the score in that or not. What do you think is important for listening section?
Listening, 5 major important sections: summarize spoken text, highlight correct summary, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. Before this, I used to concentrate on only 4 and I used to leave behind highlight correct summary, because what my perception was that task is not important. But when I gave a mock test of reading and Ravi told me, why are your highlight correct summary going wrong? I said they are not important. Now he explained me how important they are for reading and listening both. So this is where I picked up on this tab as well. I thought, nah, this is the important task, so we need to concentrate to get the scores.
That's right guys. So it's important you know that how everything is marked, which task will contribute to other sections. And remember this thing, don't just, if you are aiming for 8 each, you do not have to go with this perception that this is not important. For 8 each, yeah, 8 each and everything is important, right? You have to make sure you focus and give 100% on each and every task. Doesn't matter if there are MCQs or everything. Yes, you can spend less or more time, but yes, you have to give 110% on each and every task.
Because each single mark counts.
It counts. If you are aiming for 8 each is almost perfect. You'll have to do 120% right according to yourself. Then only you'll get the score, yes, right? Let's wrap it off, Ravi. Any final piece of advice for students out there who are preparing for the exam over at that stage they have given up, they think they can't really do it. As you were as well, you were kind of frustrated. I remember once you called me that I'm not really getting the score.
Yes.
Any piece of advice for them?
Piece of advice: join Language Academy, listen to them what they say, give your mock test, understand the mistakes you do, and then you practice on it. Because practice is the only key to get your results.
That's
Nothing
right,
else.
guys, that's right. So it's very important to practice, but you can practice by yourself, but the difference over there will be, you won't really, that will be one-way thing, right?
One-way thing,
One-way
yes.
thing. Over here, you'll get two-way communication. You will come to know what mistakes you are making, what is the feedback, and how you have to improve on your mistakes and get a score like you did. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you
Ravi.
so much.
Well done. And that's it from this video, guys. We'll be very back soon with another video. Thanks, guys.